Understanding the inner workings of OpenID Connect can feel like navigating a maze. But fear not. Today we'll unravel the mystery of the well-known /OpenID Configuration Endpoint, revealing its secrets and importance in securing your applications. In this video, we'll explore what the well-known /OpenID Configuration Endpoint contains, why it matters, and how to effectively use it in your projects. This knowledge is crucial for anyone working with OpenID Connect for authentication. First, let's talk about the discovery document itself. It's essentially a JSON file that holds all the necessary information about an OpenID provider. For example, it tells you where to find the authorization endpoint, token endpoint, and more. This means you don't have to hard-code URLs into your application, making it more flexible and easier to integrate with different providers. Next, consider the issuer value. This is a unique identifier for the OpenID provider, ensuring that tokens issued by it can be trusted. Imagine if your app accepted tokens from any provider without verifying the issuer. It would be a huge security risk. By checking the issuer, you're adding a layer of security to your authentication process. Lastly, let's look at the supported scopes and response types. These define what kind of data you can request from the provider and how the user consent should be handled. For instance, if you want to access a user's email address, you need to specify the email scope in your authentication request. Understanding these options helps you tailor your authentication flow to meet your application's needs. To summarize, the well-known /OpenID Configuration Endpoint provides essential information for integrating OpenID Connect into your applications. It includes endpoints for various operations, a unique identifier for the provider, and details on supported scopes and response types. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next video.